Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Satechi M1 wireless mouse. So going through the unboxing, first you can see that on the front you have a picture of the mouse itself. This is in black and there is also a white version of it, which you can see in the link down in the description. But nonetheless, going through the sides you can see that there is nothing written except for on the back, which states that this is Bluetooth. It does have a rechargeable battery, so you do not need to change out the battery every few months. It also charges via USB Type-C, which is really good to see. So if you have a USB-C charging laptop, you can also charge this via the same cable. And it basically also has an aluminum construction, so you can tell that this is very high quality. Opening up the box, inside you will find the mouse as well as the charging cable, and going through the cable first you can see that in fact it is USB Type-C, and I will show the port on the mouse itself later on. And now taking a look at the mouse itself, you can see that it has a very sleek design. As mentioned, it does have an aluminum construction, and on the bottom you will see the optical sensor here, the on-off switch, and also a little reset button. Here you will find 2 feet, which are obviously used so that it glides on the surface that you're using it on. The wheel itself is also metallic, so it is very nice to use, and it is also clickable. So in fact, to charge this device you can see that there is the USB-C here on the front, and just like any other mouse, it should be on the front, and unlike the Apple Magic Mouse, it is not on the bottom right here. So obviously this is a lot better even if you want to use it wired. So if you want to wire it up to your laptop itself, you can obviously wire it through the USB-C and use it like that. And obviously it will be charging at the same time. So once you turn on the mouse, it will go to pairing mode straight away, and you can connect it to your laptop with ease. And I did use it with my laptop to edit some videos, and I can say that this is pretty precise, and for the price you can't really go wrong. But something else that is quite fun which you can do with this mouse is connect it to your phone, and as you can see, it will control it just like any other device, such as a laptop. So here, unlocking it, you will see that even the mouse wheel works, and you can see just how precise the cursor actually is. So basically here you can see that everything works perfectly fine, even on my phone. And as I said before, you do get the black version, also the white version, and a few other colors as well. So going on to one of them, it is intended to be used obviously on a mousepad, but even a wood surface like this does work very well with this, so you should not really have to worry if you do not have a dedicated mousepad. So obviously here you can see that everything works perfectly fine, even the gestures on my phone here, considering that this is a OnePlus 6. And basically if you didn't know this, all you need to do to connect it with your phone is go and turn it on and go to the Bluetooth settings and pair a new device. So basically that is all for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.